Hi guys, welcome back to Learning English and Literature. One of the reasons students fail WIAC English Paper 2 essay writing is poor paragraphing. If you take a look at this report, this is a report from the Chief Examiner, WIAC. On the candidates' weaknesses, the top of the list is poor paragraphing. It simply means that candidates will lose marks in organization and also mechanical accuracy. Paragraphing is very important because you need to separate your ideas for easy comprehension. For example, if you take a good look at this script, you'll find that the candidate did not paragraph very well. But this is better. Here, the candidate was able to separate his ideas and put them in different paragraphs. If you come back here, you'll find that all the ideas are fused into one. Now, what is a paragraph? A paragraph is a collection of related sentences dealing with only one topic. It simply means that in a paragraph, you should not have more than one topic. You cannot discuss in one paragraph the death of Jesus and how Messi won the 6th FIFA Player of the Year award. Okay? So there are two different unrelated ideas. They should not be in one paragraph. A paragraph is divided into three main parts. We have the topic sentence, supporting sentences, and the closing sentence. The topic sentence is usually the first sentence in the paragraph and it expresses the main idea of the paragraph. Here, it is usually does not mean it must be the first sentence. Sometimes we find topic sentences in the second sentence, but the main thing it does is to give you the main idea of the paragraph. It simply means once you read the first sentence, you'll have an idea of what the whole paragraph is all about. For example, if you take a good look at this paragraph, the first sentence reads, with the dawning of a new era in the education sector in Nigeria, teachers who cannot adapt to the current technology revolution in the sector would become extinct in the business in no distant time. What the sentence is saying here is that teachers who do not embrace modern technology will become unemployed very soon. Now, reading this first sentence, you have an idea of what the paragraph is talking about. Supporting sentences. They come immediately after the topic sentence. They develop, explain, and support the topic sentence. They provide facts, examples, and details. The supporting sentences are like flesh. They add flesh to the skeletal framework of the topic sentence. The topic sentence here highlights that teachers who fail to embrace modern technology would become unemployed in no distant time. Here, the supporting sentences read, prior to this moment in time, most teachers have been so reluctant to embrace modern learning technology, with many fearing they will become dinosaurs when robots take over their jobs in the nearest future. But Bill Gates assures that technology is just a tool. In terms of getting the kids working together and motivating them, the teacher is the most important. The supporting sentences here provide flesh or details, facts to the topic sentence. For example, this is a fact. Bill Gates assures that technology is just a tool. In terms of getting the kids working together and motivating them, the teacher is the most important. Finally, we have the closing sentence. The closing sentence is the last sentence of the paragraph and it restates the main idea of the topic sentence. The first sentence here, which is the topic sentence, highlights that teachers who fail to embrace modern technology will become extinct in no distant time. The supporting sentences here provide details supporting the topic sentence. Now, the closing or concluding sentence states that the COVID experience has proven these conservative teachers both right and wrong. If they embrace modern learning technology, they will be highly valued in the education system, but if they do not, then they will become the dinosaurs they feared. The topic sentence here highlights technology in education. The closing sentence here also highlights modern learning technology. So the topic sentence gives you an idea of what the paragraph is talking about. It gives you the main idea of what the paragraph is talking about. The supporting sentences will add details, give examples, facts of the topic sentence. Finally, the closing sentence will now restate the main idea of the paragraph. The topic sentence will help you in WIAC summary writing. So please take this seriously and you'll do well in your essay writing. Thank you very much.